Go ahead. There we go. Yeah, both of them. Uh-oh, where did Justin go? The Dragos just getting covered in shit. I think that one won. First place. I think you got first place right there, bro.
Yeah!
Yeah, first place right there, bro. What happened? What happened in there? I thought you had both wheels going.
No. Oh, damn. I'm gonna have to switch. Look at the road smoking.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, this tire's fucking out. I gotta switch over now.
Woo!